In front of me is OPPO A15s, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on this device. So first of all, you need to open your camera app, then tap on more icon, and here you will notice timer. So just click, and with one click you've got 3 seconds delay, then another one provides 10 seconds delay, and to switch it off just mark it one more time. So let me apply 3 seconds delay, and now you can grab a picture with such delay. And that's it. To switch the timer off smoothly, click 2 times, and now as you can see, it is not active, so the picture is taken straight away. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.